Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you guys are doing well and in best condition of health. Dear viewers, our today video is about most demanding and beautiful short pixie haircuts and the short pixie hairstyles. I bob haircuts and bob hairstyle and hair day ideas. I will suggest you to watch the video till end so that you can get amazing and beautiful ideas about styling of pixie haircuts and the pixie hairstyles. A beautiful haircuts makes you look confident and younger. If you want to look confident, then you should mostly these beautiful haircuts. If you are looking for a new hair color, then this video will help you a lot in choosing a trendy hair colors. So viewers, you can visit your nearest salon if you want a new look. I will cut you soon with latest content of viewers haircuts and the hairstyles, the hair colors. Till then, stay connected and keep visiting my channel for more updates, and also like, share and subscribe my channel by pressing the bell.